The only downside to this cookie is the cost. Almond paste is very expensive, but I have made more than 1,000 of these cookies. They are so special and old-fashioned. Just a little bit of 10X, an egg white to pull things together, Grand Marnier, and fresh orange zest gives it a very, very luxurious, yummy taste. And I typically don't prepare it with a scoop, but I gave it a try, ended up not liking it. The cookie sticks too much to the scoop, so this is the actual method. So when someone says, is this hard to make? No, but it takes a little bit of practice. As you can see, each one of these rolls is about 3/4 of an inch around. That's just a dink, and then I go back and cut about 3/4 of an inch. That doesn't mean that what I cut is the right size. Because I've made a lot of balls in my life, I always say it's all about the balls. I want every single one of these to be the same. So I pinch off others to sort of get a uniform size. And I don't want a lot of 10X on them. It doesn't matter if there's some, because my right hand is quickly dredging evenly, not drippy, not overdone, the egg white on each ball, and then being gently dropped into 10X and being gently sifted, so that there's never, ever any chunks, drips, or drabs. Everything is always neat and clean and elegant. Once every ball has been dredged in the egg white and the 10X, I'm going to neatly put them onto another tray, allow them to dry after being pinched. And I use 3 fingers. And when you pinch, you don't want to press down or pull up. You want to retain a nice shape. You're trying to create surface space. The drying is critical because it creates a contrast between the soft, chewy almond paste and the crunchy exterior. These are elegant, fabulous, wonderful cookies.